Imagine a world where emotional intelligence reigns supreme. At Anderson & Anderson, we've mastered the art of coaching disruptive physicians, utilizing potent stories to drive the lessons home. Picture an orthopedic surgeon, frustrated with his surgical team. We guide them through tales of successful models in assertive communication, self-awareness, and impulse control. Think of the surgeon who lost his cool, throwing an instrument into the ceiling. Through our coaching, he learned to articulate his needs before each surgery, fostering a more harmonious operating room. Consider the cardiac surgeon, noticing a distracted team member. With our guidance, he learned to communicate his needs clearly, ensuring his team remained focused on the task at hand. These stories aren't just tales, they're lessons, reminders of the power of emotional intelligence. At Anderson & Anderson, we're not just coaching, we're crafting stories that shape lives. Join us in this journey of self-actualization, empathy, and social responsibility, and let's foster a world where emotional intelligence is the norm.